so this is the problem I'm having. This is the new headset, and it is definitely not going to fit inside of this.
But how did we get here?
Well, it finally happened, eh? Yeah, she bent pretty good. Yeah. Oh, it's broken. She's the welt broke right off of it. Wow. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. I think that's why it's not working anymore. This is the new headset, and it is definitely not going to fit inside of this. But I think that if I cut the taper away, it might fit in there. Next, you get the vernier caliper there, and you use it to mark where the taper ends, all the way around, both sides, and hope that the diameters match up once the taper's gone. So this is where I'm going to start cutting, and this is where I'm hopefully going to stop cutting. Oh man, hope for the best. Oh boy, this is the part where I really start regretting what I started doing. And I hope the sanding disc cleans this up. Boom! Slap it a couple times with that, it goes right in. Yo! Oh my! Don't tell me. We're gonna have the biggest fork on tricycle. Okay, in the bottom, I'm just going to press it in by hand, I guess, and it fits good. And then there's a little bit more to send it. Okay, so now we got the forks set in it. Looking pretty all right. I don't know. I actually know very little about bicycle forks. I don't know anything about them, but these are P70, and so use only for cross country. Here we got our new fork, the new wheel in it. I love it. Okay, so that's the new setup. It's not bad, not bad. And the handlebars just go up there. Looking goodly. Take it for a ride. Up. Yeah, it's so nice.